Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Jostin Dooley, and back with another update for you all. I know it's been a while, but really I wanted to take the time to share some exciting progress. Today I want to share some exciting progress with you all that I have made with my graphic design business, such as my website and a sneak peek into what's brewing for my Etsy shop, and really just give you a reason why I took the time off that I did. We're gonna kick things off. We're gonna kick things off with my website. I completely redesigned the whole thing, literally put in hours. I'm not even sure how long it took, but I know it was at least a couple hours I put in, maybe longer. And I really put in some serious elbow grease to make the website easier to use, as well as to make it more inviting for you all. I'm going to be refining my portfolio, and I added in sections. Really, I slimmed down my website, made it easier to use, and it really was my passion to make a website that showcases my design skills and allow my work to be more inviting and easily accessible. There we go, for you all. And it really will be something that reflects my passion for design. And now on to the Etsy shop. While Etsy shop, you could say it's still a work in progress. I've been really laying down the groundwork on something special that I'm going to be releasing for you all. And, you know, I've been brainstorming product ideas, thinking about what is pieces that you all will be really excited to have. And every step of the way has really been filling me with excitement and anticipation, because I mean, at this point, I could release something while I'm recording this. I just really cannot wait to share all of the stuff I've been creating. It gets me so filled with joy. If you all were here watching me while I was live streaming, you would have seen some stuff that I was creating. And if I did like a live stream when I was working on pieces, you would have saw all of it, but I didn't really share much. Well, not much. I really didn't share any of it. So just to sum that up, I can't wait to share you all everything once it's up and running, and share some glimpse of the design process and some ideas that I'm considering from Etsy shop. And of course, YouTube family, you know that you have been on my mind every step of the way. I've been brainstorming new ideas, video ideas, and behind the scenes peeks at my process, tutorials, design tips, really stuff that I hope will inspire you in your own artistic endeavors. And if you enjoy this video, you know, as always, make sure, and I'm saying make sure to leave me a thumbs up on this video, as well as leave me some love in the comments below. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. As always, your support and encouragement means the world to me, and I'm beyond grateful, as you already know, and if you do not know, for your support, and as well as, you know, you all coming along with this journey and navigating it. You see all the ups and downs, and that's pretty much it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Peace and love. Till next time.